Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I'm fine. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. So this morning we are going to have some finishing touches and get to know the controversies that is going to come around and whether everything is going to be on point and whether it's going to be okay or not. We don't know so far. The owner of this place also is a little bit on the sick side, so it's making it a little bit difficult to get agreement as to how to change it, what to change. So you watch out for that, okay? How is it going to be that we will have this place spruced up and not have any legal document or agreement to go with it? All right, so Ghana's cultural situation is what we look at critically to see if we are going to be vulnerable or not. Okay, based on that, let's go. Okay, there is this case that confuses me, which I don't understand. I don't understand whatsoever. And you see this behind me is an artist's impression of on air for our radio section, because obviously here we have to blog. This is our blogging section and we need to make sure that we have this part, because this window is going to go, but here, up here, you see on air, it's our pre-planned section for our broadcasting investment. Now, you won't believe that the guy is ghosting. He said he's sick. For 3 days, we gave him ample time for him to be bedridden. Myself, I was. But after being sick, bedridden for 5 days, for 3 days, Monday I was here. Even though I was bedridden, I slept here. You can see the car there. You see that it's open? That is my sleeping place because we don't have a couch here. I sleep here. I sleep in the car and work and give people. I kind of like you wouldn't say sublet, but you relegate whatever it is that you want to do with assistantship, and so that the work will continue even though you are demised, you are bedridden or something like that. So that's what we do, so that the work will not pause or be in a case where it's because you are sick, everything goes to a demise. You see that we were telling you that the owner of this place was sick or bedridden right now, but because he does not delegate, you see that things, you see this things are not working. Everything is going down. I'll show you 1 minute. Renovations here. Okay, the renovation and the value has gone down because the renovation has ceased. Okay, so because the owner does not have delegation skills, that is why you will see that the right skills that have to be utilized to make this place function is not happening. So everything basically comes to a halt until I came along. But for me, I'm not obviously a family member or something that we are renting this place, but inordinately affects us in some way. Why? Because it becomes unattainable as we lack information to move on and to have contracts done and to have our radio to function as we want it to, if you know what I mean. Sorry. So in this case, what would you do? All right, leave a comment below and let us know, give us a suggestion. And even if you don't have any suggestion, you can go to yorbing.com and let us know, or you can keep watching, whichever. Okay, problem number 2. You see this alleyway? All right, lizards, agama lizards, the one with the red hair. This is where they pass. They love this alleyway. For some reason, the lizards here, they love dirt, hideouts, cement, new buildings, they find insects in and centipedes in plants like here and this. So the centipedes are here, and if you don't take care, they might sting you or something. I saw one insect, this insect, scorpion here, okay. And so centipedes hide in these brushes, and so agama lizards come here, okay. And when they come, they just walk through, or they just scurry through here, up here, all the way down, all right, to these brushes, and then hide there. Or okay, or here, you see this corner here, it's because of the electricity, all right. They will hide there, poop there, have babies there. And I will show you one example. In the night, when everybody is not here, they lay eggs on the wall. I'll show you here. You see? They lay eggs, and we have clothes, jeans, whatever here. And so we package them here, but it's not enough, because when we release the shoes as samples here, okay, our shoes, they will start hiding in those clothes, okay. And then another problem is this window. You see how dirty it is? The dust plume that comes up is incredible. You will clean this and it will come out. So that means we have to clean it every day, or we have to remove it entirely. So the renovation keeps going on, and we get tired. At some point, it must stop. At some point, it must cease. Okay, so when it ceases, then our job here is done. And when it's done, we either have to make sales, and the sales, we will use this place as a warehouse, okay, for people to come in, of course, all right, and then get a bigger place, or use this place judiciously, or move here, okay, where there's a better, bigger space up there, so that we would direct people to come in. And then this driveway will be a huge problem, because there's stones here blocking everybody's access to the building. And so we would have to pave this place up. He said, why? Okay, the mounds, you see the mounds, so they develop over time underneath here, and then they start building, poking holes all over the place, all right. So by the time you realize they are there, okay, poking holes and all that, okay, the lizards come here to this big fat mound, okay, of debris. So when they come in, it's impossibly difficult, okay, to prevent them from coming to eat up debris here. Okay, so this is their attraction point, and of course the brushes behind where they come in to stay and hide out, okay, causing a lot of problems, and pooping and laying eggs on the wall in this building. So Macy and Co, okay, hi Billy, okay, they decided then that to solve this particular problem, there is a mound of broken tiles here. So they will use the remainder of the broken tiles and the one here, okay, to use it to tile it and block the pathway of the agama lizards and their babies that come in here to nest. And then he has actually buttoned down the pebbles, those pretty pebbles, so that it will give a clean a look and a finished look to what they are doing. So let's see how they're doing. Okay, all right. Okay, we are burning the debris here. Okay, all right, and then these are the remainders. Okay, all right, and this is a cover of the alleyway. All right. Okay, they seem tired, so we have to let go. So this is a very big concern area. Okay, so that because here is very critical, we have to absolutely keep this place clean and really really healthy. Okay, if we don't do that, it's going to be really troubling. Oh, okay. You are going to burn your underwear? What is that for? Okay.
Normally when we go to some place, we leave some there. Otherwise, we come again.
That is so interesting.
American travelers. I'm burning it.
All right. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Finish for the day.